You should.
were that kind of person. How scared should I be?
Yeah, I think you should be pretty concerned. I mean,
Really?
one of the biggest pieces of feedback I get from, mere mortals who, they take pride in the fact that they don't really understand computers or understand why anybody would want to hack their computer. And I just say, look, you have probably 20, 30 sets of credentials stored in your browser or on your computer that have value. You may not think that they do, but they absolutely do. And this service kind of puts a pretty fine point on that.
What does this mean, the existence of this marketplace, like for most of us mere mortals?
It means that it's 2018 and we're all still stuck with the stupid passwords.
Krebs thinks we will eventually get to a post-password world. In that world, your phone could essentially become your password. After all, it has tons of data on you, your location, maybe even your fingerprints or your face, and that data can be used to verify your identity. So we'd essentially be carrying our passwords around in our pockets. But for now, we are stuck with these same old passwords and the same old advice we've been hearing for years. If you want to protect yourself from hackers, be sure to turn on two-factor authentication and do not reuse the same passwords again and again and again, like I do. Stacey Vanek Smith, NPR News.
Support for Planet Money comes from State Farm, committed to offering tools and education resources to help Americans better understand their finances and take control of their money. Learn more at letstarttoday.com. State Farm.
Hey, babe, you want to ride?
Go right.
You're listening to All Things Considered from NPR News.
So it turns out that some of the earliest cave art found in Europe from 65,000 to 115,000 years ago wasn't done by humans after all. We'll have that story coming up next on All Things Considered, right here on New Orleans Public Radio, 89.9 WNO.
A very heavy delay remains through the metro area as we take your final look at traffic for this afternoon. You've got the I-10 eastbound with a new problem, an accident right around the Carrollton overpass, compounding already heavy delay. Now solid from Bonneville up through the Superdome. It remains tight across the main span of the Crescent City connection. If you're traveling on the I-10 west out to Jefferson, initial delay slow through the CBD. From St. Bernard to the Superdome gets heavier from there through Carrollton, and tight once again from Bonneville all the way